It's really rainy outside. Like, so rainy. There's a humongous storm. Okay, get it. It's so rainy out there.
Wow.
Super duper slow. So much rain. These blades will be growing too hard. I got a surprise somewhere in my room, and it's camouflage. Let's go and find it. Guys, guess what? I'm at my Barbie house, and do you see a surprise somewhere hiding with camouflage? Let's see. Not in upstairs. I don't see anything upstairs. Let's see downstairs. I don't see anything downstairs either. Not here. Oh, guys, I found it. Here it is. We got nah surprise. It's nah surprise. Oh, this is so cool. This is Series 1. Cool. There's a unicorn girl on the front. Here, guys, it comes with 5 surprises. And let's see. Whoa. So we can actually also get a unicorn girl. She's so pretty. And 6 dolls you can collect. Cool. Now, guys, let's get to opening her up. Guys, let's get started by opening this surprise up now. Okay, let's get it open. So guys, I'm gonna get started by opening it up. Whoa! Woo! There's the straw that we need to blow it to open. And this is our humongous bag. Whoa, it looks so cool. We want to read our instructions how we can open it. So first, we need to place our straw there. Second, we blow. Next, we peel the top. And then we just pop it. And then we can reveal her, get her surprises. And there's like a mini keychain. Cool. Woo! Okay, we can do that now. Blow too small or too big. So let's just blow it up. Ooh, cool stripes. Okay, I'm just gonna need to place our straw in here. Okay, I'm gonna push it in. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna blow it up. Okay, there. And now we need to peel here. And now, this is a lot of confetti though, but let's open her. Whoa, we got a puppy. Wait, is it? Oh, it's a fox. Aww. Okay, here's our collectors. Aww, we're gonna get this little foxy. That's cute.
Wow.
Cute. Okay, let's see how she will look. This is the keychain out. See her? Oh, cool. So she gets in here. So we need to open it up to see her and reveal her. Let's see her. She looks so cool. Oh, look at her. Just look at her red cherry colored hair. It's like red cherry color. And her swimsuit too. Look at her. Look at her hat though. Cool hat. We got a note. Look, just look at her. She's so pretty. I love her so much. Just look at the fox girl. I think I like her though. I like the fox girl. She's so pretty. She's so cute and pretty. So fox girl. Her name is Roxie Foxy. Roxie Foxy. And it's like a fox girl, bunny, bear, unicorn, a cheetah, and a little lamb. It's black though, but cute. Guys, let's see these blind bags now. Let's see this one. Okay, what do we get? Her cool shoes. Oh, they're red. They're so cool. Black and white and red. Cool. Look at her mini shoes. They're so cute. They're red, black, and white. Cute. Guys, let's see it. What is it? Whoa, it's her cool outfit. And what is this? Oh, it's a sweater. And you put it around her like arms. Cool. Then she got her amazing dress. Oh, that's so cute. Let's put her accessories now on. Guess what? She's all accessorized. Let me tell you her accessories. She got her dress, her shoes, her nice hat for winter, her nice scarf, and like her clothes. Her dress, clothing. That's so cool. Okay, guys, I got her a message right here. Guess what it says? Her name is Roxie Foxy, and I don't just dress, I impress. Cool, like she's gonna impress everyone to say, wow, cool. Close that up. Wait, guys, guess what? She's sitting down and she looks so pretty. But guys, I got 2 more of these surprise dolls. So let's go move on to those other 2. Guys, I'm on my next surprise doll. So do you see any surprise here? They're not surprised. Do you see another one? Oh, look. I can see some ears like bunny. Okay, let's see if it is. It's purple. Whoa, we got another one. This is the new suit. This is series 3. Cool. Guys, I put my other one over there, but I got another one somewhere here at my ponytail. Do you say another not a surprise? Not surprise? Do you? Somewhere, you need to meet somewhere at my pony castle. Somewhere here. I don't see it here. Not in the castle. I don't see any surprise on this castle. Wait a sec. I found it! I found it! I really found the other 3rd one. So I have 3 of them. So we got our 2 of them, or another 2. So guys, which color do you want to open? Pink or purple? Maybe I'm going with this purple color is so cool. Now put this pink on the side and start by opening it here. Let's open this back, this surprise. Okay, there we go. So we got our straw and our instructions. Here's our instructions. It's going to be the same. Don't worry, it's going to be the same. This time we got purple stripes. Cool. Get our humongous bag. This is our humongous bag. Perfect. That's it. Let me start blowing this bag up. Guys, let me do here and then we're gonna get some confetti. There. No. It's off! Cool. Now I can peel on the ear. That was so cool. Okay, let me peel this ear. Oh, we're gonna get that little lamb. Oh, it's so cute, that pack. These are surprise collector's guide. Let's see our collector's guide. Cool, so we are gonna get this little lamb. We're gonna get this little lamb. She's so cute. Aww. Okay, let's open this little cute surprise. Okay, let's get her out. Oh, she is so cute. Just look at her style. Her head is so cute. That swimsuit is so cute. I love her. This is how she looks. She's so pretty. I love her. That brown hair. I got her surprises still, so let's get her surprises. Oh, it's her outfit. Okay, let's see her dress. Oh, so she got a mini blouse or something. Oh, it's a blouse. And then she got this cool little t-shirt with stripes, black and white. And then this cool little mini skirt. It's so cool. Look what she got. She got a poodle little puppy there. Cute though. Here's one shoe. And 2 shoes. Okay, good. So now we got all of her accessories that we can start dressing her up. Okay, let's put on her skirt. Guys, look how she looks. I did this. Isn't that she's so pretty? I love her. But guys, we got one more of these. So let me get to her. This one. Another pink one again. We got one more, so let's open it. Let's fill here. This is a blue straw time. Ooh. Blow it in now. Oh, there. It popped. Okay, now let's get it open. Aww, this is so cute. It's a little blue bunny. But let's check the collector's guide who I will get with this blue bunny. Oh, I'm gonna be getting this little blue bunny. Oh, she's just so cute. Wow, I love her. She's blue. These are all of our collector's guide. Woo! Oh, those are 3 of them. Cool. And now let's get to this doll here I have. Okay, guys, let's open her. Let's see how she will look. Okay, there we go. Get this tape. Oh, that was easy. Okay, here she is. No way. Look at her. She's so cute. Look at her bunny hat. That is so adorable. And just look at her socks. Oh, so cute. Guys, you want to hear her message? Before we do her surprises. Okay. Cute, but keep it dashing. And her birthday is December 10th. Cool. Guys, she got a cute little mini snow jacket. Cool. It's bunnies. They're so cute. They're like a little bunny, little tails. They're so cute. A little snow, little boots. And guys, did you know she got like shiny hair too? White with shininess. Cool. And she's right here. We got three collectors guys. She's right here. Guess when's her birthday? December 21st. That's cool. Accessories kind of like doesn't have hair, but this coat is her amazing dress outfit, long sleeve, with those cool little bunny socks and these little boots. They're so cute. I love it. They're so cool. I love them so much. So now, guys, that I opened all of my surprises. You surprised? Not surprised. So now I opened all of these 3 mini little dollies that I have. I never have these, but I do now. 3 of them, girl. 3 of them. I got a little bunny, wing wing, a little fox, and a lamb. She's so cute. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and put a thumbs up for this video. And see you in my next video. Bye.